Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Volvo XC60. First, locate the Start/Stop button on the center console. Press it firmly while your foot is on the brake to start the engine. To turn off the engine, simply press the button again when the vehicle is stationary. Adjust your seat using the controls on the side and set your mirrors for clear visibility. Familiarize yourself with the steering wheel buttons for audio and cruise control. Now, let's explore the Sensus infotainment system. The large touchscreen is your command center for media, communication, and vehicle settings. Easily connect your smartphone using Bluetooth for hands-free calls and audio streaming, or plug it in via USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The integrated navigation system provides clear, turn-by-turn directions to help you reach your destination efficiently. Your XC60 is equipped with many advanced driving features designed for safety and convenience. Familiarize yourself with systems like lane keeping aid and blind spot information system for a more secure drive. Utilize the parking assistance features, including the 360-degree camera, to maneuver into tight spots with ease. Explore the different driving modes, such as comfort or dynamic, to tailor your driving experience. Finally, let's talk about keeping your XC60 in top condition. Regularly check your tire pressure and fluid levels to ensure smooth operation and safety. You can also customize many vehicle settings through the infotainment system to perfectly match your personal preferences. And speaking of enhancing your experience, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, with its glare-free display and long battery life. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. We hope this full guide helps you confidently enjoy every journey in your Volvo XC60.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.